it's Joe Andrews for Josh Moss's Kitchen. Today I am preparing a Kerala recipe. It's made with plantain or kaya. It's called as Erissery. So it's fried Erissery. Fried means not deep fried, it's a preparation. So don't waste time, let's move on to the video. Josh Moss's Kitchen. This recipe serves 3 to 4 guests. Onto a blender, blend 6 pieces of garlic, 1 cup of coconut, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, 1 tablespoon of black peppercorn, all onto a blender. Give a rough blend like this. Remove from the blender, make a bowl like this and set it aside. The plantain, cut and place in the salted water, clean it up, boil some water, add just enough salt, few dash of coconut oil, add the clean plantains to the water, cover it and cook it gently until it is soft and tender. The plantain is soft now. Make a well at the center. Place the coconut mix at the center. Gently press it. Place all the plantain on top of the coconut mix onto a very low heat. Cook it. Cover it. By the time we can make the tempering, we need 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Onto the hot oil, put 2 tablespoons of rice. Let the rice puff up. As soon as it is puffed, add 4 pieces of dry red chilies, few curry leaves, 100 grams of shallot sliced, 100 grams of coconut. Saute until it is golden in color. Add the tempering on top of the plantain. Combine well. Cover it and on very low heat cook for another 5 more minutes. Beautiful curry is ready to serve. The Erissery we made, it's ready. The fragrance are so good. Wow, beautiful flavors. The coconut and other flavors are really good. The fried rice, it's really enhancing the flavors. So please give it a try and let me know. And show your support by subscribing my channel, Josh Moss's Kitchen. This recipe, have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried it? And what about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Make sure you try it and let me know how it is.